Hey crowded and happy holidays, and today we are doing Glinda's bubble dress from the first Wicked movie, and I'm giving you a shout out from SD Store Entrepreneur Frost Petals. Thank you for the pattern. It's cost $22, so it's definitely worth it. And I'm so excited for doing this. I am. And you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe, and God bless. I can't believe it. I'm just so excited because, oh my God, I love this dress from Glinda from the first big Wicked movie. My God, it is gorgeous. If you can see the dress, have so many layers to it. It is called a cascade. The ruffle is a cascade. Now, a cascade is not like a rectangular or a square ruffle. It is more of a circular ruffle. So it gives you kind of like that wavy, luxurious kind of effect. You see a lot when it comes to the bridal world. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love cascades. And you also see a lot when it comes to cocktail dresses as well too, but mostly in the bridal evening world. So as you can see, I am doing a 1/8 base hem of the first layer. It is actually sateen. So sateen is very easy to sew. I'm so glad that it's sateen. And well, it'll have a little polyester, but mostly sateen. But yeah, I'm actually doing the base hem just to make sure everything's come together. I'm doing a little zigzag seam so it won't fray off. Let's start with the organza, that shimmery fabric. Now, the one thing I hate doing organza is I have to switch with the silver embroidery, and it is a nightmare. It's because it keep fraying. I love organza, but for me to actually make it stabilize, I actually got some Claire nail polish, which I use it for like this whole sparkly effect, but I also use it for the salvage area, the edge of the petals, so make it easier for me to actually sew the shimmery embroidery thread on the organza so it won't be fraying off. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know what kind of sequins I use, I actually shop on Temu, thank God, because these kind of sequins are actually for apparel only. If you look at like Michael's, it's a lot more different. It had that ridges kind of edge to it, but this is actually for apparel. So yeah, I actually like the price. It costs like at least maybe, I think, $1.50 for each of the packet of the sequins. And as well as that little circle nail accessory to it, I actually apply it to the bubble dress as well. And I actually got it from Temu. Additionally, if you guys plan to buy some silver sequins, I also highly recommend to go to Temu as well. It's really good. It actually costs like, I would think about like maybe under $2, but it's definitely worth it. And the most not so fun. So as you can see, it's the skirt of the bubble dress. So I had to put these layers of cascade. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to hand sew it. I'm not going to even bother using the sewing machine because it's too narrow and too small. But yeah, it's just the safest route right here. And I also mastered the invisible zipper right here in the back. So yeah, it's pretty cute. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to actually hand sew it, just reapply it on layer upon layer. So this is the top layer, the bodice of the dress, and I'm so glad it turned out really, really well. I actually like the back that had that little pointy edge. So I'm going to actually apply the petals with the sequins and the paillettes on top of the bodice to give that more of a sparkly, shimmery kind of look to it. And what do you think, guys? If you like this video, give me some love, like, subscribe, and God bless. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And stay safe. God bless you.